I've always loved gardening, but I have to admit, getting seeds to germinate and grow can be a real challenge. One of the hurdles I face is getting the soil just right, not too wet or not too dry. And then there's the issue of providing enough light for those tiny seedlings to grow strong. I can't tell you how many plants I've lost. Well, come along with me while we try out something new from LetPot. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a product review, and it's from an old friend, LetPot. Now, most of us know LetPot as a hydroponic company. However, later on this month, they will be launching their seed starting department, and they sent me out a beta version of their seed starting kit, and we're going to put it through its paces. So out of the box, this is what we have. Excuse me. So here's your 40 cell seed starting tray and water container. We have our light connector here. And here we have our actual lights. And if you know LetPot, you know that these are the lights that are similar to your hydroponic system. Power supply, probe, dome lid, or you can control the moisture. And last but not least, a heating tray. So let's move this out of the way so we can do our assembly. Okay. We have the heating tray. We're going to take our connector, light connector here, and connect everything. Okay, that one's in, and this one is in here as well. Now, you can raise this up and down also. Here is the adapter for the power cord and the cord itself. So we're going to just plug this in here. And there. And just like that, we are now ready to start planting. So What I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this tray up with some potting soil. We're going to fill this up about halfway and place this inside the tray to let the soil get moist. And then we're going to come back and plant some onion seeds. So we have our tray filled with soil, and about half of the water tray filled. So the soil will become moist momentarily. We're going to plant 3 different types of onions. We have the Texas early white onion, we have the red Creole onion, and then we have the Texas grano 502 onion. All of these were purchased from Haas Tools, and the white onion has a 110-day. The red onion is a 110-day. The yellow onion is a 165-day. So we're going to plant 3 rows of the yellow onion, 2 rows of the red onion, and 3 more rows of the white onion. And all I'm going to do is take my little hole maker here, press a little indentation into the soil. And we're going to put the yellow onions in first. And just like that, we have our yellow onions in. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other 2, but through time lapse. So we have the seeds planted, and we have reconnected the light. I sprayed the tops of the containers or the cells with a little water so that they stay moist. We're in the front of the heating tray, and as you can see, you have a power on off button, you have a light control, you have a heat control, and then you have Wi-Fi. We're going to go ahead and turn on the power, and you can see that the light has now come on. In the front here, the light can be controlled to control the intensity. As you can see, Wi-Fi here, I can connect it to my Wi-Fi with an app that I have downloaded, so I will be doing that later. And here, the heat, once I put in the probe, will keep the bottom of the tray warm. And then once the plants actually start growing, we'll check for nutrients and let me know when I need to add nutrients to the plants. You can see now that the probe for the heat has been placed in, and there's a USB connection on the side, and the probe is now in the soil. Here you can see where it tells you how long the machine has been running, what the soil temperature is, and whether or not the Wi-Fi is actually connected. And as I said, we will be putting the Wi-Fi on momentarily. Now, gone are the days where you have to have a separate heating mat where this is built in and it's all one, it's all automatic. It can be controlled manually also through the app, but for my purposes, I'm just going to let it run automatically. So here is the LetPot app that I spoke of. And I had previously downloaded it due to the fact that I have a LetPot. But we're going to go ahead and add this. We're going to allow LetPot to search for anything. Here it has found it. And now it's connecting. All this runs through your Bluetooth, and it now has connected to the LetPot, and it's validating the device. And momentarily, I should be connected. And there's my notification that a new device has connected to my internet. And we have finished. So with this app, you can control the brightness of the light. You can control the heater itself, how hot you want it on. The schedule, like I said, is set for 12 hours from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. 7, it will go on. 11, it will shut off. And here it gives all kinds of alerts and temperature alerts and stuff like that. This is a beta version of the final product. I'll put a link on the screen momentarily for the product. The final product will launch on September 30th. After that date, there will be a link for it on Amazon. And during that time frame, if LetPot sends out a discount code to me, then I will, by all means, notify each and every one of you that there is a link, a discount code for the product. I hope you enjoy the video. I think that I am going to enjoy this. It's smaller than most of my other seed starting equipment that I have used. And what I like about it is that I can control everything via my phone, and everything is all in one. As I said, instead of having 2 or 3 plugs for a light plug, a heating mat plug, and something else, I only really need one plug, and everything is all in one. So that's pretty good. And the fact that it comes with a 40 cell seed starting tray is pretty decent too. We're going to go ahead and put the dome on top of it, and This will keep the humidity in. And we're good to go. I forgot to mention that you can control the moisture factor by turning the knobs on the side also. So we're going to make sure that none of the heat and condensation escapes, and you can start to see it's clouding up here now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in purchasing one, go ahead and click on the web link that is on the screen. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and veggies by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I guarantee you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.